Hey there, welcome back to an episode of Willis Talk. This is a 1988 Chevrolet Box, and it's not up on its edge on a brick. It's up on its edge on its own power. But that ain't the only wonderful thing about it. Check out this paint job. It is rainbow. You got blues, you got greens, you got reds, you got gold, silver. You got everything in it, but you know, out of everything that's special about this one, I love that. Those are just pretty. Make sure you wear your seatbelt. Well, you'll be over there instead of here. Or vice versa. TV is trying to stay upright, but not the words. Until the next episode, try to keep your car upright like this, not like that. Unless you want to ride and make a car like this, then more power to you. And let me know. Who knows? Maybe I'll come your way and film it. Until next episode, this is Willis signing off.